If you want to quickly align humanoid rigs with various body types to create modular characters, then you cannot miss this tutorial. Introducing the Blender add-on, Rig Align. It can save you at least 70% of your time, making the character creation process much more efficient. In traditional production workflows, integrating multiple modular clothing items with independent rigs such as for VR chat, Roblox, or any game that requires outfit changes requires you to align bones one by one and adjust the mesh. This process is tedious and time-consuming. However, with Rig Align, you simply select the appropriate rig and with just one click, all bones will be automatically aligned. Additionally, the clothing will automatically adjust based on the character's shape and style. In the end, you only need to make simple adjustments to complete this originally complex and tedious task, making your workflow much smoother and more enjoyable. Next, I will show you the actual operation. After selecting the source and target rigs, set the detection accuracy and click. Let the add-on automatically align the rigs roughly. If you're not satisfied with the model's changes, you can adjust the poses of the bones at this stage, moving the mesh to your desired position, then click the button to synchronize the pose and edit mode position and save the model deformation. But please note, due to Blender's limitations, saving the model's mesh deformation will also remove all shape keys. Additionally, the alignment results may vary depending on the clothing's weight and whether the bones are set to disconnect or connected. Therefore, please make adjustments based on the actual situation. For models with significant differences in body shape, consider disconnecting the bones for the hands and feet. Finally, click the last button to align all bones. This completes the process, and you can still adjust the mesh, modify weights, etc., if needed. Regarding the intelligent detection of rig naming formats, the add-on supports various humanoid avatar names for Unity, Unreal, VRChat, and Roblox, so you don't need to worry about differences in naming affecting detection. However, please be aware that a pose can only align with a pose, and T-pose can only align with T-pose. If there are detection errors or missed parts, you can also use the bone list interface to add or modify bone entries for correct detection. The add-on also features a bone inspection tool that intuitively highlights any bone misalignments. After clicking the button, it will display the number of offset bones, and you can select the locations of these offset bones. All offset bones will be shown in blue for easier visualization. Finally, there's a perspective line tool. You can select the character model and click the button, and lines will be marked at the edges of the model, allowing you to better inspect whether the clothing exhibits clipping issues. Lastly, please note that this plugin does not automatically add rigs or weights, and basic knowledge on the subject is still required. See you next time.